Welcome to the Law Show Extra. I'm going to be answering all your legal questions right now at 855-LAW-SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. The lines are full, but don't hesitate to keep calling. Keep listening. We are the Law Show Extra. Here we go with a short sale. Cheryl, welcome to the Law Show.
Hi. I purchased a property back in 2009.
Yep.
And I have from Premier Title of Florida, the letter, it says, pleasure to working with you. It says, enclosed you'll find your original recorded.
Hey, Cheryl, hold on for just a second. Yeah. You're interested in a short sale. What is the status of your short sale right now? Have you been given permission to do that yet?
I just received a letter from the bank attorney from the short sale we purchased.
Yes.
And it says, basically, you are hereby commanded to serve the summons. We've been given a summons. It says a lawsuit has been filed against you. You have 20 calendar days after this summons is served.
For what? What are they suing you for?
File a written response.
What are they suing you for?
They basically are saying because instead of that we have a trustee's deed on this property, that the title company gave us a trustee's deed instead of a warranty deed, the bank has priority over us for interest on the property.
All right, so now let me ask you this. Where is the property?
Florida.
All right.
And I know you're going to have to connect me with somebody in Florida.
No, we can handle cases down in Florida. We do it by pro hoc vice, okay? So here's what I'd like you to do. When did you get the summons?
Yesterday we picked it up from the mailbox.
All right, so what I want you to, are you in Michigan?
Yes.
All right, I want you to make an appointment. I want you to call first thing on Monday morning and ask for Debbie.
Okay.
All right? And
Debbie?
Ask for Debbie and make an appointment to come in and see me this week. I want to see you this week.
Debbie, okay, and what's the number I get a hold of her at?
Same number you just called.
Okay.
Call Monday after 9. And what I want you to do is I want you to tell Debbie that tell her, Brian says this is urgent. And you get in on Tuesday. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Yes, thanks for calling the Law Show.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. We're
going to talk to Robert now. He's got a question about homeowners insurance. Welcome to the Law Show, Robert.
Good morning.
How are you?
All right. I have a question on, I have a rental home, and I've had it insured for about 12 years, and I had to evict the last tenants, and 34 days after it was vacated, it was vandalized. The insurance company told me they only covered it up to 30 days and that they won't pay anything. So,
all right, Brad, what do you think?
I'm kind of wondering where I stand.
It really depends on what your policy says, because a lot of times insurance companies have different rules for vacant properties than they do for properties that are occupied. So it really depends on the language of your insurance policy. And I've dealt with these cases when I worked for insurance companies, and I was successful a lot of times. So I'm nervous that you may have language in your policy that says you might be out. So I'd like for you to come in and make an appointment with me so I can take a look at that policy language so we can see whether they have to pay or whether they don't. Because unfortunately, it's not a standard thing like no fault where they have to cover everything. You know, they can write the specific provisions in their insurance policy the way that they want. And if you signed on it to that insurance policy, you're going to be stuck with it.
Out of luck?
Yeah. How bad was the damage?
Okay, thank you.
How bad was your damage?
It was about $7,000.
Okay. Listen, you call 855-LAW-SHOW on Monday. Make an appointment to come in and see Brad. He'll take good care of you, okay?
All right. Thank you very much.
Thanks for calling the Law Show. We're going to talk to Jim next. Jim, welcome to the Law Show Extra.
Hi there. I have a question. I like your show, first
Thank
of
you.
all. Very informative. My mother, I don't know if you saw it on the news, she was a resident at that condominium where people were, it was condemned in Farmington Hills because of biohazards.
Yeah.
And she's 89 years old. She has COPD. She was feeling particularly, I think her autoimmune system already being distressed was attacked by this. A biohazard company came in, had everybody move out, said they should all move out. She did. She went to her sister's for the duration until they got it all cleaned up. In any event, I'm wondering if there's any liability by the condo association and or by the residents that were hoarding vegetables and all sorts of terrible things were going on in that place. There was even species all over it.
Hey, Jim.
Wall.
Jim, it's hard to say if there's any liability there, but we'd certainly like to take a look at it. What we'd like you to do is, if your mother's able to come in and see us with you, bring her in sometime and see Brad, and we'll sit down and talk with you, no charge for the consultation. We'll let you know what you're looking at and if there's anything we can do. And there may be an opportunity to get all the condo owners together to pursue whoever's responsible. What kind of a biohazard was it?
Well, they had food in there. He was hoarding food, and he's a real sneaky, apparently. He was flicking feces on the walls and things like that.
Okay,
so
I understand. Now,
he said was ASPs and that stuff.
Okay, well, listen, you call us on Monday and make an appointment to come and see us, okay?
I'll call and do it.
Thank you.